Hello everybody, I'm Dale Skaggs, Director of Horticulture here for the Dixon Gallery and Gardens. And it's been a really hot, brutal summer. So a lot of plants that are just have a rough time with the intense heat, a lot of the perennials and such, I'll show you how to deal with those in order to get them to bloom again for the fall. But speaking of plants that like the heat, this is Agave ovatifolia. It's called the whale's tongue agave. This particular plant has been in the ground here at the Dixon for about 10 years, and it's in this unirrigated parking lot island. So it gets brutal heat. It's surrounded by asphalt, and we may have to water it once or twice a season, but other than that, it pretty much doesn't get any irrigation, and it thrives. So agaves will grow here. You've got to get the right varieties. This ovatifolia is one of the toughest, and it'll survive here in the Mid-South. And I love the combination with this blue Atlas cedar. And this is a dwarf form called Horstman, and it's a Cedrus atlantica Horstman. And this is one of the true cedars of the world. There's only 4 true cedars in the world, and this is one of them. This is a cultivar of one of them called Horstman. But the blue foliage really, I think, plays well, and the fine texture versus the big, bold texture of the agave really work well in concert together. There are some perennials that really thrive in the heat. This is a new little short allium called Allium millennium. And we've been very impressed with this, and as you can see, the bees and the butterflies really like it too. It's an ornamental onion that is perennial, and it seems to have a long bloom season. And I suspect this will continue to go until frost if we keep cutting it back. As you can see, it's got blooms coming on, and then some of them are already spent. But even the seed heads are architectural in their element. They're really nice. Allium millennium, I think it was Perennial Plant of the Year recently. Okay. The anemones start to bloom now. This is the first bloom open on this Queen Charlotte hybrid anemone. There's a whole group of fall flowering anemones. They're all hybrids of the grape leaf anemone, and as you can see, the foliage kind of looks like a grape leaf. But anyway, this is covered in buds, and this will give us a nice punch of color in the fall.